Also, Gadina Isha, welcome to this video. We're going to look at the 200 most common words that you're going to come across in the Irish language. Every language has this list of words that are most commonly used, so they're the best to start with if you'd like to improve your Irish or get started on your Irish language journey. I have made a free PDF for you down below under this video, and it has all 200 words, and it even includes pronunciation links so that you can hear each word in each dialect if that's something that interests you. Also, there are 3 main dialects of the Irish language, and this video is not doing every single dialect, it's doing a general standard Irish pronunciation for each word, but in this PDF you'll be able to have access to that word in every single dialect. One more disclaimer that's very important, especially for this first part of the video, is that in Irish words change depending on what comes before them. This is different to other languages. So this first part of the video is going to look at the most common nouns. Nouns can change after the word the in Irish. They can change after prepositions. So if you see the word and then in the sentence you see a H added to the word or a T before it, just know that these are common grammar changes, and I'm not going into the specifics in this video because this video is just about the 200 most common words. It's not a grammar video, but I will go into the most common changes in another video. So let's first look at the 60 most common nouns as cuig, and in each one I'm going to show you the noun in Irish. The phonetics are underneath. I'm going to try leave a pause for you to say it, and then there's a sentence that I'll say out loud as well. So Arilyn, on we go. Dinna is person, like in is dinna mahe. He's a good person. Blin is year, like in an bhlín seo thugainn, next year. Law is day, like in tá an lá go brá, the day is fine. Oíche is night, like in tá an oíche fuair, the night is cold. Madzan is morning, like in Madzan va, good morning. Seachtain is week, like in tá an seachtain gnóthach, the week is busy. Me is month, like in tá an bhí thart, the month is over. Is time, like in cén tá mé, what time is it? Uair can be hour or time, like in uair a bhain eile, one more time. Áit is place, like in an áit yes, the nice place. Rud is thing, like in cad é an rud sin, what's that thing? Scéal is story or news, like in tá scéal maith agam, I have a good story. Focal is word, like níl an focal agam, I don't have the word. Ceist is question, like in tá ceist agam, I have a question. Obair is work, like tá obair le déanamh agam, I have work to do. Skull is school, like in tá an scoil mór, the school is big. Teagh is house, like in tá an teagh mór, the house is big. Doras is door, like in oscail an doras, open the door. Seomra is room, like in tá an seomra glán, the room is clean. Board is table. Like tá an board mór, the table is big. Cathair is chair. Like sig ar an gcathair, sit on the chair. Labba is bed. Like in tá an labba comportach, the bed is comfortable. Leabhar is book. Like tá an leabhar ar an mbord, the book is on the table. Cór is car. Like in tá cór nua agam, I have a new car. Bóthar is road. Like in tá an bóthar fada, the road is long. Siopa is shop. Like in tá an siopa dúnta, the shop is closed. Baile is home or town. Like in tá me sa bhaile, I'm at home. Or I'm in the town. Tír is country. Like is tír bhrá í éire, Ireland is a fine country. Sail is life. Like in is maith an saoile, life is good. Down is world. Tá an down mór, the world is big. Fear is man. Is fear maith é, he's a good man. Ban is woman. Is ban wa é, she's a good woman. Páiste is child. Is páiste é, he's a child. Colleen is girl. Tá an Colleen óg, the girl is young. Buachal is boy. Tá an buachal óg, the boy is young. Máthair is mother. Tá mo bhóthar ag obair, my mother is at work, or my mother is working. Athair is father. Tá mo athair ag obair, my father is working, or my father's at work. Mock is son. Tá mock agam, I have a son. Ineen is daughter. Tá ineen agam, I have a daughter. Cara is friend. Is Cara mahi, she's a good friend. Múinteoir is teacher. Tá an múinteoir sa seomra, the teacher's in the room. Lámh is hand. Nig de lámh, wash your hand. Cus is foot or leg. Tá mo chus teen, my foot is sore. Súil is eye. Duscail she súil amháin, she opened one eye. Béal is mouth. Oscail the veil, open your mouth. Cree is heart. Tá Cree mórcha, she has a big heart. Uisce is water. Tá uisce fuair agam, I have cold water. Banya is milk. Tá banya ar an mórt. There's milk on the table. Té. Wala té. Would you like tea? Arán is bread. Tá arán uair agam. I have fresh bread. Bia is food. Tá bia blasta. The food is tasty. Aragad is money. Níl argad agam. I don't have money. Annam is name. Cad is annam dat. What's your name? Olaus is information. Tá olaus maith agam air. I have good information about it. Teanglann is language. Is all-in on teanglann.ie. It's a beautiful language. Ceol is music. Is smálam ceol. I like music. Grá is love. Tá grá agam duit. I love you. Gaeilge is Irish, as in the Irish language. Tá gaeilge agam. I have Irish. Cóta is coat. Tá cóta orm. I have a coat on me. Brogue is shoe. Cóhfuil de bhróg. Where is your shoe? Now we're going to look at part 1, which is the most common pronouns, prepositions, and connectors. On is the, like in on far, the man. Air is on, like in air on mort, on the table. Agus is and, like cafe agus té, coffee and tea. Is a verb called uncouple. Is múntar mé, I'm a teacher, or is smálam, I like. Egg means at, like in egg on doras, at the door. Le means with, like le Moira, with Moira. Na means the, plural, like na fear, the men. Do can mean to, for, or your, depending on context, like in devorher, your mother. Go means to or that, depending on context, and can be also used in phrases like guma, good. De can mean off or from, or in phrases like de rare, which means according to. She can mean he or it, as in tá sé anseo, he is here, or it is here. Sin means that, as in an fear sin, that man. O means from. O bhaile Aclia, from Dublin. A means him or it. Chuig mé, I saw him, or I saw it. Seo means this, as in an leabhar seo, this book. Mar means like or as. Mar sin, like that. Ach means but. Tá sé go maith ach tá sé dear. It is good, but it is expensive. Faigh means under or about. Faoin mord or faoin mord is under the table. Féadair is about Ireland. No means or. Té no cafe, tea or coffee. Féin means self. Me féin, myself, tú féin, yourself. This is often pronounced with a H in there, like me hain or tú hain. Ní means not. Ní dochtar me. I'm not a doctor. Os can mean out of or from. Os éireann, from Ireland. Chun can mean to or towards. Chun na scoile is to the school. Chun carú, to help. Ella can mean other, like lá ella, another day. May can mean I or me. May can mean I or me, like in tá mé go maith, I'm good. She can mean she or it, as in tá sí go maith, she is good or she is well. No can mean than, nor, or don't, as in no déan, don't do that. Siad, as in they. Tá siad an seo, they are here. Iad means them, as an object. Chuig mé iad, I saw them. Amach means out, as in té amach, go out. Mo means my, as in mo bhóthair, my mother. Cé means who, like in cé hu hain, who are you? Nach means not or isn't. Nach bhfuil sé an seo, isn't he here? Gach means every, as in gach lá, every day. And tú, as in you. Conas atá tú, how are you? Let's look at part 2 now, that includes pronouns, prepositions and connectors again. E can mean her or it, as an object. Chuig mé inné, I saw her yesterday. Tree, as in the number 3, or can also mean through, as in a hain, a dó, a tree. 1, 2, 3. Féadair means possible, as in is féidir leat, you can. Chuig means to or towards. Who she chuig a cara, she went towards her friend. Anois means now. Déan anois, do it now. Irsa means said. Tá mé ré irsa Sean, I'm ready, said Sean. Síos means down, as in sig síos, sit down. Suas means up, as in seas suas. Isteach means in, as in hui she isteach, she went in. Arish is again. Aber rishe, say it again. Near is did not in the past. Near is sé fosta, he didn't eat his breakfast. Anseo means here, as in tá sí anseo, she is here. Anshin means there, as in tá sí anshin, she is there. Cad is what, as in cad é sin, what's that? Muds means we, as in tá muds anseo, we are here. Misha means me, but with emphasis, as in is Misha Sean, I am Sean. Lum means with me, like tá sé lum, he is with me, or it is with me. Lin means with us. Tar lin, come with us. Lat means with you. Ismalat is you like. Lesh means with him, as in Tháinig sé leis, he came with him. Lei means with her. Chuig sé lei, he went with her. Agam means at me or to have in Irish. Tá airgid agam, I have money. Agut means at you or you have. Tá cór agut, you have a car. Aige means at him or he has. Tá sé aige, he has it. Eki, at her or she has. Tá cór eki, she has a car. Urim means on me. Tá áthas orm, I'm happy, or there's happiness on me, literally. Earth, on you. Tá sé earth, it's on you. Air, on him. Tá slides on air, he has a cold. There's a cold on him, literally. Urhi, on her. Tá úgnas urhi, she's lonely, or there's loneliness on her. Freshen means also. Tá sí anseo freshen, she's also here. Inniu means today. Cad atá ar siúl inniu, or cad atá ar siúl inniu, what is happening today. And then amórach is tomorrow. Feic mé amórach chu, I'll see you tomorrow. Last but definitely not least is the 50 most common verbs you're ever going to come across in the Irish language. Be is the verb to be. Be gama, be good. Déan is the verb to make or to do. Déine, do it. Tar is the verb to come. Tar an seo le do hull, come here please. Cuir is the verb to put. Cuir she say, put it down. Téigh is the verb to go, like téigh abhaile, go home. Abair is the verb to say. Abair, say it. Tor is the verb to give. Tor dum an leabhar, give me the book. Faigh is a verb to get. Faigh and Laura, get the book. Feic is a verb to see. Fecum who, I see you. Ban is a verb to take or to extract. Ban jeet the édi, take off your clothes. Ka is a verb to spend, to wear, or to throw. Ka and líróds, throw the ball. Féach is a verb to look. Féich an picture, look at the picture. Áireach is also the verb to look in a different dialect. Tá mbeidh áireach an spéir, I'm looking at the sky. Brana is also the verb to look in Connacht. Brana an spéir, look at the sky. Tóg is the verb to take, to build, or to raise. Tóg an Laura, take the book. Siúil. Siúil is the verb to walk. Siúlam abhaile, I walk home. Ri. Ri is the verb to run. Ri go tapa, run quickly. Lame is the verb to jump. Lame suas, jump up. Stop is a verb to stop. Stop anseo, stop here. Ól is a verb to drink. Ól isce, drink water. I is a verb to eat, as in I the dinner, eat your dinner. Oscail is a verb to open, like oscail an inneog, open the window. Dún is the verb to close, like dún an doras. Imig is the verb to leave or to go away. Imiglat, off you go. Fan is the verb to wait or to stay, like fan nomads, wait a minute. Tit is the verb to fall, as in hitche, he fell in the past. Sig is the verb to sit, like in sig sias, sit down. Shas is the verb to stand, like shas suas, let the hall, please stand up, or stand up please. Lig is to lie down, like lig sheer, lie back, or to lie. Tig is to understand. Tigam, I understand. Lower is the verb to speak. Laurlum, speak to me. Clush, to hear. Clusham I hear you. Scríb is the verb to write. Scríb me a litter, I wrote a letter. Leg is a verb to read. Leg me an leabhar, I read the book. Cheannig is the verb to buy. Cheannig me arán sa siopa, I bought bread in the shop. Deal is the verb to sell. Like tá sé ar díal, it's on sale. Tusig is the verb to start. Tusiganish, start now. Creaknig is the verb to finish. Creaknig a, finish it. Fólam is a verb to learn. Dólam me Gaeilge, I learned Irish. Carrig is a verb to help. Carolum, help me. Smuoinnig is a verb to think. Bhualam smuoinmh fhisin. I'd love to think about that. Creds is a verb to believe. Credum who, I believe you. Queen is a verb to cry. Bhí sí a cuine, she was crying. Góir is the verb to laugh. Thosaigh mé a gcóire, I started laughing. Sugra is the verb to play. Tá na páistí ag sugra sa fork. The children are playing in the park. Cuddle is the verb to sleep. Chuddle tú go maith, you slept well. Dúisig is the verb to wake. Dúisig, wake up. Snámh is the verb to swim. Tá mé ag snámh, I am swimming. Bear is a verb to catch, grab, or to bear. Bear my love, hold my hand. Agus buail is a verb to hit, beat, or meet. Buaile, hit it. Tá súlam gur bhain tú tána bhá sin. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget you can get your free PDF down below with all 200 words with links to pronunciation. You will also find down below either a waitlist to the brand new Practical Irish for Complete Beginners course, or you will find the actual course open right now. This is going to be the easiest, most practical start with the Irish language that you have ever seen, with practical sentences you can actually use every single day. Gur míle maithid, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Agus slán go fóill. Bye for now.